Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 50, power of x comma n. So we want to find the power of a number with a raised power, and we don't want to use an inbuilt function. Okay, so let us see the example. See here, this is the first example. 2.5 zeros just eliminated. Now n is equal to 10. So it means 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 is what? 1024. Right. Now, this is the number they have given us x and this is the n. So we want to put like 2.1 power 3 is equal to this is the value. Okay, like that. See this example. It is 2 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. We can write this as 1 by 2 power 2 is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 0.5. Can you understand this? Okay, so this is what they have asked in the question. What is our easy approach? That means the brute force approach. It is just don't do anything. See here. First of all, n can be a positive, n can be a negative, right? N can be a positive or n can be a negative. So if n is positive, then what should you do? Just iterate n times. Just iterate n times. If n is equal to 10, just multiply this 2 10 times. Just multiply 2 10 times. 10 times. Here also, just multiply 2 10 times. But what should we do after all this? Just divide it. 1 divided by that result. Okay. So this is my brute force approach. What is my time complexity and space complexity for this approach? I can say O of n going to my time complexity. And space complexity will be O of 1. So this is my time and space complexity, right? Okay, so it is a huge time. Yes, if I give n as something 1000 like that, it is a huge time. Okay, can we optimize it? Can we optimize it? Okay, let us consider in smaller class we have seen in math, like if I have n power something like x, it can be written as n power x by 2 into n power x by 2. Take for example, 2 power 4 can be written as 2 square into 2 square. Yes, 2 square can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, then 2 power 5 can be written as what? 2 into 2 into 2. Here put 2, here put 2. So 2 power 2 into 2 power 2 into 2. Can you understand this? So if it is an even power, we want to multiply what? We want to multiply the half and the half in our power, then we will multiply. If it is an odd power, same we will do, but only difference is we want to add another time that original value. Fine. Now how to make this? See here, what I am doing here, my main problem is x. I'm just converted my x into what? X by 2 and x by 2. It is what? A problem, and this is what? A sub problem. This is also a sub problem. Like, so I can say I am dividing a problem into a sub problem and sub problem. So it is a recursion, right? Okay. How to write it? Just take for example, if I have a function inside which I should pass what? N and x, right? So if I have a function and take for example, it is n is equal to 10 and x is equal to 2. So n is equal to 10 and x is equal to 2. Fine. First of all, what should I do? I should do f of 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5, comma, this 2 remains 2 itself. Here also f of 5 in and 2. Okay. Now for this 5, what should I do? For this 5, what should I do? I should do like f of 2 comma 2, and I want to compute f of 2 comma 2, and I have to multiply them with 2. 2 is what? 2 is the x value, right? I want to multiply it, right? Okay, here also the same is again repeated, right? Fine. Now again 2 can be written as what? 2 by 2. Can you understand? We are reducing into half, and then again 2 into, again reduce this also into half. Here also the same. Since it is even, we don't want to multiply with x. Here also the same. Here also the same. Let me finish it. Now, what is the value of 2 power 1? I can say 2 power 1 is 2, right? It is easy. So this is gonna be my base case. So what is my base case? If my power is equal to 1, then I will return what? my x. Okay, if my power is equal to 0, then what should I written? I written 1. So this is gonna be my base case. Okay, for this f of 1 comma 2, what will I written? I will written what? 2. So for this it will be what? 2. For this it will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here also 2, and then here also 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4, so it becomes 4. So f of 2 comma 2 is equal to what? 4. So here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. Okay, then again 4 into 4 into 2 is equal to what? 4 into 4, 16, 32. So f of 5 comma 2 is equal to 32. So 32 will be here and also here. Now again 32 into 32, 32 into 32. What is my value? It is 1024. Okay, so here comes 1024. I computed the answer, right? Okay, hold on. Whether I want to go up to this, then I have to return this, then I have to compute this. No, it is not necessary. Why? Because see here, for this f of 5 comma 2, here also f of 5 comma 2, right? Okay, for this f of 2 comma 2, here also 2 comma 2, but 2 is repeated. So I can say if it is even, I should multiply with itself alone. If it is odd, I want to multiply itself and also with x. So here I will write it in a just a simplified form. F of 10 comma 2. Okay, this can be further classified as what? F of 5 comma 2. F of 5 comma 2. This can be further classified as what? F of 2 comma 2. This is further classified as what? F of 1 comma 2. Hold on. Now it will run what? 2, right? Just listen to me. It is very important step. See here. It will run what? 2. Okay, it returned 2. Now it is what? F of 2 comma 2, right? So this 2 will be broken into what? 2 times. So whether it is even or odd, it is even. So what is the value of f of 2 comma 2? It is 2. So again multiply this 2 with again 2, right? So I will get what? 4. Yes. Okay. F of 5 comma 2 is what? F of 2 comma 2 into 2 comma 2 into 2, right? Why? Because this power is what? Odd number. So because of this odd number, I want to multiply what? This 4 into 2. Simple, right? Okay, what is the value? It will be 32. Now again, I am saying this 10. 10 is what? Even. So what is the value of this f of 5 comma 2? It is 32. So I will multiply this 32 2 times. That's it. Easy, right? So we can do like this itself. Okay, now hold on. What is my time constant and space of t? My time constant will be O of log n, and space of t is also O of log n. You may ask, why it is space of t? We haven't used any auxiliary space. No, in recursion we use what? Auxiliary stack space or internal stack space. It holds the internal stack space, right? So this is how our approach is. Once you have seen the code, it will be more clear. See here, this is the code. Def recursion of x comma n, and if n is equal to 0, then I will return what? 1. If n is equal to 1, I will return what? X. Okay, this is my base case, and result is equal to recursion of x comma n by 2. I told you, right? You want to take that one time. Okay, then result is equal to result into result. So what I am doing here? Result into result. I said to you, right? Instead of going to 2 recursion call, I will take 1 recursion call and multiply it 2 times. Okay, and see here, return x into result when my n is odd. If n is even, I want to return just result. Okay, now see here, result is equal to recursion call of x comma absolute value of n. Why absolute value of n? N can be negative also, right? If it is negative, what should I do? 1 divided by the value. However, we want to find power of x comma n. If it is negative, we want to put 1 by. If it is positive, we want to return as it is. So that's why I will compute this. Then return result. If n is greater than 0, if n is positive, I will return result. Else, I will return what? 1 by result. That's it. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.